Today I attempted to remove the engine from my Chevette. I made a bit of a cunt of it because I undid most of the bolts from the bell housing apart from two that are attached to this little thin little bit of plate that goes between the bell housing and the engine, and it sits kind of in between the flywheel. So when you try and pull it out, it gets jammed in between it. I spent about 40 minutes fucking about trying to pull this engine and gearbox apart. I have cut all that out of the video because I don't think really anybody wants to see that kind of stuff. So you pretty much just see it getting split apart, and it comes out no bother. I did consult my Haynes Book of Lies, but it didn't really do any good. It wasn't really much help, like usual. It just came out. Simple as that.
There's the line.
Hey. The bonnet needed removed, and we discovered we probably should have undone the exhaust as well.
Good there.